In Nevada, the trials and tribulations of Senator John Ensign are threatening to take a very public turn. Veteran Las Vegas Sun reporter John Ralston quotes a source familiar with deliberations occurring inside the Justice Department as saying it is very likely John Ensign will be indicted, and that charges would include the allegation that when Senator Ensign last year paid almost $100,000 to his mistress, he did so in a way that was deliberately designed to keep that payment from having to be reported. Meanwhile, Mr. Ralston's paper, the Las Vegas Sun, Mr. Ensign's hometown paper, has published perhaps the most scathing, brutal takedown of a sitting, as yet unindicted senator that I have ever read in any senator's hometown paper ever in my entire life. They call him tone-deaf, borderline obtuse, increasingly arrogant, narcissistic, reckless, a detached, self-righteous figure oblivious to the collateral damage caused by his actions. Examples of Ensign's selfishness and arrogance, they say, are legion. They use the word narcissism again. They say he has character defects, that he was an ass to his employees, that he was a show horse, not a workhorse, that he is neither knowledgeable nor interested in the gritty details of policy or politics, that he is uninformed. These are all words used in this article in John Ensign's hometown paper, and most of these allegations against Ensign are sourced to Nevada Republicans, quite a few of whom are willing to be quoted by name saying these things about sitting Republican Senator John Ensign. No matter what you think about John Ensign, this piece in the Las Vegas Sun is one of the most remarkable hometown takedowns I have ever seen of any politician. It is linked, if you would like to cuddle up with it, at maddoblog.msnbc.com. We will be right back.